Hello everyone, what is up? Today it's Craft here and I will be showing you another app I made, and I consider this app to be very useful rather than the others. And why this app is actually useful, because it's an app for managing the space on your hard drive. Yeah, that's right, it's the first useful app, I can say it. And let's begin by showing you the app. This is the icon over here. And what is also good about this app is that it's a very lightweight, and it has a very simple user interface which can be integrated into Windows. First of all, I will show you the user interface, which is like this one. And basically what you have here is a very simple graphics user interface, which has only a button for browsing a folder. It has some checkboxes and some two buttons in the status bar here. Now basically what this button is that it lets you select a folder. Okay, now what is the folder for? The folder is a folder which the app will clean, delete everything inside the folder every time you start up your computer, if you hit here manual clean. Now this is what this app actually does. It creates a folder, or lets you select a folder, and every time you will start up Windows, if you select run and start up, or if you hit manual clean, it will delete the folder. And this is very useful for managing free space if you don't want to delete everything at once, and you do not really know what to delete or why to delete. Okay, now for this example, I will make a folder for you guys. I will make it on desktop. I'm gonna call it potato. Okay, now we'll hit browse folder. I will go to desktop and I will choose potato. I'll click open, and the folder location has been set to blah 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 potato. Okay, now this is the new path. Now what we have here are some settings. Now what the settings actually do, let's get going with the first one. Run and start up. Here is the an Explorer interface which we have, and here is the startup folder, so the apps which will start when the computer will start up. Now when you uncheck this run and start up tick box, it will delete the batch file which starts up this app, and when you check it, it will create a file. Okay, now the integrated Explorer thing. What this actually does is, I think it's a very useful thing, because if you uncheck it, for example, you will see that here under favorites, the auto folder has disappeared. Now, why is that? When you hit integrate into Explorer, it will create a shortcut here, which whatever your chosen folder will be, this one will always guide you to that folder. Okay. Now this is the most useful thing in the app, I suppose. And the other thing is display startup message. Now this isn't actually a big fuss, it just tells you that the folder is being cleaned, and click OK to continue. I will show you this on later on. Okay, now every time you modify something in the app, you will have to save your settings. So you hit save settings and it will say settings saved successfully, and if there is an error, it will say that the settings have failed to save or something like that. Okay, now as for an example, I will go into the auto clean server. I will search server. I'm sorry, I'm so tired right now. You will just have to create some folders, random folders with random files. You can have anything inside. Whoops, no, that wasn't intended to be like that. Okay, so we have a folder with folders. Now let's simulate the startup of the computer. Now the computer will run this file. So when you run this file, and take note that I have display startup message checked. When you run this file, it will show a pop-up window like this, and it will say that Kirali's auto cleanup has started, folder is being cleaned. You click OK. It will say the folder has been cleaned when it's finished cleaning, and if you hit OK again, the app will close, and if you go back to the folder, we see that it's empty. Okay, now the exact same thing can be done by clicking manual clean, which I'll show you now. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so we have some folders. Click manual clean, clean folder, blah blah blah. You click OK, and everything's gone. Now, yeah, actually this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this app, and if you want it, leave a comment below, and I will post a link for downloading, because posting a link without anyone downloading is pretty useless. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one.